Hello students. Today we see more examples on first principle of mathematical induction. In last 2-3 lectures we learned some examples of mathematical induction. Okay, there are various types for this example. Today we see one more type for first principle of mathematical induction. Our example is prove that 2 raised to n is greater than n square, n is greater than or equal to 5. The statement is true for n is greater than or equal to 5. In last examples or last some examples, we prove this result for n is greater than or equal to 1. But here we have to prove this result for n is greater than or equal to 5. So from n is equal to 5 onwards, we have to prove this result 2 raised to n is greater than n square using first principle of mathematical induction. All of you remember the steps for this mathematical induction. Our first step is we have to prove the statement for n is equal to 1, that case. But here value of n is greater than or equal to 5. That value of n is start from 5. So we prove this result for n is equal to 5. Our first step is prove this result for n is equal to 5. So our LHS is 2 raised to n. 2 raised to n means 2 raised to 5, which is 32. RHS is n square. N square means 5 square, which is 25. So now 25 is less than 32. That is 32 is greater than 25. 32 is greater than 25. That means what? 2 raised to n is greater than n square. 2 raised to n is greater than n square. That means our result is true for n is equal to 5. So here we complete first step of induction. Now we assume this result is hold for n is equal to k, for k greater than 5. Okay, we assume this result is true for n is equal to k, where k is greater than 5. This is second step of our induction. So for n is equal to k, that means here put n is equal to k in this statement, we get 2 raised to k is greater than k square. 2 raised to k is greater than k square. But remember that the value of k is greater than 5. Okay, now we have to prove this statement for n is equal to k plus 1. For n is equal to k plus 1, we have to prove this result. That means we put n is equal to k plus 1 in our original result. That is, we have to prove that 2 raised to k plus 1 is greater than k plus 1 bracket square. 2 raised to k plus 1 is greater than k plus 1 bracket square. Okay, so we consider 2 raised to k plus 1. Now 2 raised to k plus 1 is equal to what? 2 raised to k into 2. We split the indices. 2 raised to k plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to k into 2 using rules of indices. But we know that 2 raised to k is greater than k square. 2 raised to k is greater than k square since the result is hold for n is equal to k. So by substitute 2 in place of 2 raised to k, we put this 2 raised to k is greater than k square. So याच्याऐवजी बघा इज इक्वल टूच्या जागी ग्रेटर दॅनचं साईन आलं आणि 2 raised to kच्या जागी k स्क्वेअर आले into 2. From that result 2. Now consider here this value is 2. We have to replace this value. Okay, so for this 2 we use here 1 plus 1 upon 5 square. ओके, 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन 5 स्क्वेअर. का आपल्याला असं हवं आहे? कारण आपल्याला 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन के अशी टर्म हवी आहे, म्हणून आपण 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन 5 आणि यांची व्हॅल्यू के आहे ना आपली, के ग्रेटर दॅन 5 आहे. सो हिअर वी यूज 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन 5. व्हॅल्यू ऑफ धिस इज 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन 5. दॅट मीन्स 6 अपॉन 5. 6 अपॉन 5चा स्क्वेअर दिस इक्वल टू 1.44 अँड 1.44 इज लेस दॅन 2. 1.44 इज लेस दॅन 2. दॅट मीन्स फॉर हियर 2 या 2च्या जागी आपण कुठली व्हॅल्यू वापरू शकतो? 1.44. त्याच्यापेक्षा ग्रेटर व्हॅल्यू वापरू शकत नाही आपण, कारण टी व्हॅल्यू 2 raised to k plus 1 पेक्षा लहान आहे. सो 2 पेक्षा लहान असणारी व्हॅल्यू आपण 2 साठी वापरू शकतो. ओके, सो इन प्लेस ऑफ 2 वी यूज द व्हॅल्यू 1.44. पण 1.44 ही व्हॅल्यू कशामुळे मिळाली आपल्याला? 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन 5 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. सो हिअर इन प्लेस ऑफ 2 वी प्लेस 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन 5 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन 5 5 का घेतला? कारण आपला के ग्रेटर दॅन 5 आहे. सो स्टार्टिंग व्हॅल्यू इज 5. देअरफॉर हिअर वी यूज 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन 5 स्क्वेअर. कळले पुन्हा? या 2ला आपण रिप्लेस केलं आहे 1 + 1/5 स्क्वेअर आणि त्या के स्क्वेअर ॲज इट इज, हा के स्क्वेअर आहे तसंच आहे. म्हणजेच आपल्याला काय रिलेशन मिळालं आहे, 2⁻k+1 इज ग्रेटर दॅन 2⁻k+1 is greater than 1 + 1/k bracket square into the k square. Okay, now 1 + 1/k, that means what? k+1/k bracket square into k square. Now using the rules of indices, here k+1/k bracket square, that means what? k+1 square into upon k square. Numeratorचा पण square and denominatorचा square. This k square and k square will cancel. So we get here k+1 bracket square. That means we get 2⁻k+1 is greater than k+1 bracket square. This is our RHS. So our statement is true for n is equal to k+1. Therefore this result is true for all n greater than or equal to 5 by the principle of mathematical induction. ओके, कसं केलं आहे बघा, हे थोडंसं वेगळं एक्झाम्पल. हा जो काही आपण पार्ट हा लिहिला आहे, हा दिस पार्ट इज इम्पॉर्टंट. फॉर धिस 2 वी रिप्लेस 1 + 1/5 स्क्वेअर. ओके, कारण आपल्याला तो k+1 हवा होता म्हणून आपण हे वापरलं आहे 1 + 1/5 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. ओके, गो थ्रू दिस व्हिडिओ. If you have any difficulty, then ask me. Okay, we see one more example. Prove by mathematical induction 3⁻n is greater than 2⁻n + 64. We have to prove this result again for mathematical induction for n is greater than or equal to 4. Here the value of n is starting from 4. So we prove this result for n is equal to 4 in first step, since the n is greater than or equal to 4. Okay. Okay. Starting the solution of this example, our statement is P of n is equal to what? 3⁻n greater than 2⁻n plus 64. So we prove this result for n is equal to 4. At n is equal to 4, our LHS is 3⁻4. 3⁻4 means is equal to 81. RHS is 2⁻n plus 64. Value of n is here 4. So 2⁻4 plus 64, that means 80, and 81 is greater than 80. 81 is greater than 80. That means what? LHS is greater than RHS. But LHS is what? 3⁻n, and RHS is what? 2⁻n plus 64. That means we get 3⁻n is greater than 2⁻n plus 64. So our result is true for n is equal to 4. Okay, so first step is completed. Now we assume this result is true for n is equal to k, but the value of k is greater than 4. Okay, his statement important hai, value of k is greater than 4. If this result is hold for n is equal to k, then we can write here 3⁻k is greater than 2⁻k plus 64. So 3⁻k plus greater than 2⁻k plus 64. Now we have to prove this result for n is equal to k+1. That means we have to prove that here 3⁻k+1 is greater than 2⁻k plus 1 plus 64. Okay, so now consider 3⁻k plus 1. Again we split this term. 3⁻k plus 1 is 3 into 3⁻k. 3 into 3⁻k. But we know that this 3⁻k is greater than 2⁻k plus 64 from the statement number 1. So for this 3⁻k, we replace 3⁻k is greater than 2⁻k plus 64 and this 3. Okay, 2⁻k plus 64 into 3. Okay, now since 3 is greater than 2, okay, now we have to replace this 3. हा 3 आपल्याला रिप्लेस करायचा आहे. सो ह्या 3 साठी मी काय करते, 3 इज ग्रेटर दॅन 2. 3 ग्रेटर दॅन 2 आपल्याला माहिती आहे. ओके, सो 3 ग्रेटर दॅन 2. सो देअरफॉर 3 इंटू 2⁻k plus 64 ही टर्म टोटल. 3 इंटू 2⁻k plus 64 दॅट टर्म इज ग्रेटर दॅन 2 इंटू 2⁻k plus 64. ओके, म्हणजे 3 इंटू 2⁻k plus 64 या जागी आपण काय लिहू शकतो, 2 इंटू 2⁻k plus 64 आपण लिहू शकतो. Okay, so 3 into 2⁻k plus 64, this term is replaced by 2 इंटू 2⁻k+64, कारण आपल्या रिझल्टमध्ये आपल्याला 3 नको आहे, 2⁻k+1 अशी टर्म हवी आहे आणि आपल्याकडे फक्त 2⁻k आहेत, 2⁻k+1 नाही आहेत. म्हणजे आणखी एक आपल्याला 2 हवा आहे, तो 2 आपण इथून आणला आहे. 3 इज ग्रेटर दॅन 2, म्हणून 3 आणि 2 यांच्यामधलं रिलेशनचा यूज केला आहे. 3 इज ग्रेटर दॅन 2. ओके, सिन्स 3 इज ग्रेटर दॅन 2, we the result is hold for 3 into 2⁻k+64 is greater than 2 into 2⁻k+64. So for these 3 we write here, this 3 is greater than, sorry, this term is greater than 2 into 2⁻k+64. So multiplying with 2 with this bracket, 2 into 2⁻k plus 2 into 64. So 2 into 2⁻k में using rules of indices, this is 2⁻k+1 plus 128. ओके, पण आपल्याला रिझल्टमध्ये काय हवे आहेत, 2⁻k+1 मिळाली टर्म, पण पुढची काय पाहिजे, 64. आता रिप्लेस करा. नाऊ वी नो दॅट 128 इज ग्रेटर दॅन 64. 128 is greater than 64. So 128 into 2⁻k+1 is greater than 64 into 2⁻k+1. 128 into 2⁻k+1 is greater than 64 into 2⁻k+1. So in place of 2⁻k+1 plus 128, we write the term 2⁻k+1 plus 64. ह्या टर्मच्या ऐवजी ही टर्म, कारण ही टर्म आहे ती या टर्मपेक्षा ही टर्म लहान आहे. सो वी कॅन राईट 2⁻k+1 plus 128 replacing with 2⁻k+1 plus 64. So our result is true for 3⁻k+1 is greater than 2⁻k+1 plus 64. Therefore our statement is true for n is equal to k+1. So our result is true for all n greater than or equal to 4 by this principle of mathematical induction. Here this step is very important. Here 3 into 3 this term 3 into 2⁻k+64, this term is greater than 2 into 2⁻k+64. ओके, हे रिलेशन आपण वापरले. इथे 2⁻k आहेत आणि 2⁻k+1 हवे होते. अजून एक 2 आपल्याला रिक्वायर होता, त्यासाठी आपण या रिलेशनचा यूज केला. रिमेंबर दिस अँड गो थ्रू दिस व्हिडिओ अँड टेल मी एनी डिफिकल्टी. Okay.